objects appear larger than they actually are. Therefore, we are going to inform other consumers of this problem.
So we made this awesome little sign. The objects in Vending Machine are smaller than they appear due to magnifying glass container window thing. Jude's now searching for tape.
At first, but now I'm feeling a lot better about it now that the mission's completed.
Alright, do you think the world will be more aware of their surroundings?
Yeah, I think that it's our duty to tell consumers what they're really purchasing.
Alright, awesome.
I gotta show it to the boss. Hey, how you doing?